Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of uncovering exceptional property deals on our website. Not only do we feature properties in foreclosure, but we also highlight homes listed significantly below market value. Discover our specialized approach to identifying properties set for cash sales, as-is conditions, and those ripe for light renovations. All listings are marked with a comparison ribbon, displaying the percentage difference from its market value and located at the top right corner of each property overview. Let's dive into how to locate these deals. Navigate to the Distressed Properties menu and select the Hot Deals section. Here you'll find properties generally free from complicated foreclosure proceedings, ensuring smoother transactions. We list properties starting with the most recent additions. Let's take a closer look at our latest property listing. The property page provides essential details such as the number of bedrooms and bathrooms, the total square footage, and the size of the lot. We also provide an estimated after-repair value, which suggests that this particular property is worth 27% above its current selling price. If you find the estimated value questionable, you can use our home price calculator to input more precise factors and obtain a revised estimate. For guidance on using the calculator, check out our dedicated tutorial video. Additionally, as you notice, this property was listed less than 1 day ago, giving you a unique opportunity to be the first to make an offer. This could be an excellent chance to secure a deal before others notice this promising investment. Our property pages are meticulously designed to provide you with all the necessary details for thorough due diligence. Each listing is packed with comprehensive information, including features of the property, lot details, historical pricing, tax data, records of nearby sold homes, and current homes for sale, everything crucial for your investment analysis. Please note that new listings in this section are displayed only 15 days after they are initially posted to the market. To ensure you don't miss out on a potential investment, we recommend saving properties of interest to your favorites by clicking the heart icon. These favorites can be easily accessed later via the My Favorites section found under your email menu. Finding the perfect property is made easy with our versatile filtering and sorting options. Whether you're looking for a specific price range, square footage, type of home, or a particular number of bedrooms and bathrooms, our tools can help tailor your search. You can also sort listings to prioritize them by criteria such as ratio, price, beds, or days on the market, ensuring you see the most relevant properties first. For example, if you opt to sort properties by decreasing rate, those with the highest after-repair market value relative to their list price will appear at the top of your search results. Conversely, selecting the lowest price sort option will prioritize the properties with the lowest asking prices, making it easier for you to identify the most affordable options available in the market. For your viewing convenience, properties can be displayed in either gallery or list modes, which you can toggle between using the corresponding icons. Additionally, you can adjust how many properties appear per page by clicking on the equalizer icon. This customization allows you to streamline your browsing experience according to your preferences. This same search methodology applies across various sections, including short sales, pre-foreclosures, and foreclosures. Let's dive into the short sales section. Here, listings are initially sorted by the newest. However, if we sort them by decreasing rate, you'll see the best deals showcased first. In fact, some properties may be discounted by as much as 83% below market value. In the pre-foreclosure section, which typically contains a large volume of properties, many are not immediately available for sale. Yet, by using the decreasing rate sorting option, it becomes easier to filter through and focus on those that are for sale, arranging them by the degree of discount offered. Similarly, sorting by price targets only those properties actively listed for sale, highlighting their affordability. Additionally, if you input an address in the search bar of any section, our system will search our database to locate it. If the property is found, it will automatically take you to the appropriate section. If the property isn't found, our advanced search function available under the search menu can rapidly pull in details from outside our database. I hope this video proves useful in enhancing your investment strategy. Visit our website to further accelerate your real estate ventures. Goodbye.